You will learn proven tactics to quickly grow your email list, a crucial asset for successful online marketing. Many marketers struggle with building an engaged email list, often leading to wasted time and missed opportunities. One of the main reasons for this struggle is that they don't have a clear understanding of what type of content resonates with their target audience. Without this knowledge, they're left guessing what types of emails to send, which ultimately leads to low open rates and high unsubscribe rates. Another major issue is that they're not using the right strategies to capture email addresses in the first place. They might be relying on outdated methods or not utilizing all the channels available to them. This lack of strategy translates to a stagnant email list that's not generating the desired results. To make matters worse, some marketers are not even using email marketing automation tools that can help them streamline their email campaigns and save time. This lack of automation means they're wasting valuable time on manual tasks that could be better spent on high-leverage activities. We will discuss effective strategies such as offering irresistible lead magnets, utilizing social media, and optimizing your website for email signups. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to implement these strategies and start building your email list quickly. First, we'll explore the power of lead magnets and how they can motivate people to opt in to your email list. Then, we'll dive into social media and how you can leverage platforms like Facebook and Twitter to drive traffic to your email capture pages. Finally, we'll discuss some simple tweaks you can make to your website to encourage more email signups. One effective strategy for building your email list is to offer an irresistible lead magnet that solves a problem or meets a specific need for your target audience. This could be a flipbook, a webinar, or even a free trial of a product. The key is to make sure it's high quality and relevant to your audience. Another strategy is to utilize social media platforms to drive traffic to your email capture pages. You can do this by creating Facebook ads or Twitter tweets that promote your lead magnet and drive people to a landing page where they can opt in. You can also use social media to share valuable content that resonates with your audience and includes a call to action to join your email list. The most effective tactic for rapid list growth is creating a high-converting landing page that captures attention and converts visitors into subscribers. A high-converting landing page has a clear headline, a compelling offer, and a prominent call to action. It's also optimized for mobile devices and loads quickly. To create a high-converting landing page, you need to understand your target audience and what motivates them to take action. You also need to test different variations of your page to see which one performs best. By doing so, you'll be able to optimize your page and increase your conversion rates. To recap, focus on lead magnets, social media engagement, and a strong landing page to build your email list quickly and effectively. By implementing these strategies, you'll be able to capture more email addresses, build trust with your audience, and ultimately drive more sales and revenue. You'll find free tools in the description below that will help you build your list. Like Heyzine Flipbook, a 5 free Flipbook trial, Systeme.io free website, landing page, and autoresponder all in one, and a few others. Check them out. If you found this video helpful, check out our next video on crafting the perfect email campaign, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.